Hey everyone, in this video we are going to be talking about emphasis when it comes to design principle. So if this is something you are interested in, all I can say is stay tuned and I will be right back after the intro. So have you ever seen any nice design, beautiful, sweet, elegant, but the thing is you didn't really know where you had to focus on? Then this could mean that that particular design was missing something very important. And what could that be? Emphasis. Okay, so you'll be asking yourself, what the heck is emphasis when it comes to design, and why is emphasis even really important when it comes to design principles or when it comes to designing in general? So this is the thing. Emphasis is very important in every single design because it helps you to draw the attention of your viewer to a specific area of your design you want them to take a look at. So let's take a look at this design we have on my screen. You can see that this design is looking very simple, a very simple design, but the first thing your eye gets to focus on is the name, which it says Tony Allen. So you'll be wondering why, would that have to be the case? Maybe the person who designed this had in mind that, I want anyone to first of all focus on the name. So the way they were able to implement this was increasing the size of the Tony Allen and also applying a different color, which is red. You understand? Because it's different from the background image. So you can see that in this case, the original designer isn't close to you to tell you where you have to focus on, but they have already implemented emphasis, in their design, which makes it very easy for you to take a look at the specific area they want you to pay attention to. And that's what emphasis has to do. And the thing is, emphasis works with other design principles like hierarchy, like proximity, balance, and all of that. And we'll be taking a look at all of these things in other of my design principle videos. So let's take a look at this second design I have on my screen. And you can see that this one says learn video production in 5 days. But the first thing your eye gets to focus on is video. And what makes this special is video looks like the largest text on the design, and the background, and the background shape of it also makes it look very interesting. Then you get to actually read everything on your design. And the interesting way emphasis has been applied to this particular design is, see, the background has a very dark image, okay, and the text and shapes placed on top have brighter colors. So in this case, your attention first of all draws on the shape and the text, which makes it very interesting. So you can see how emphasis has been applied in an interesting way in this design we just took a look at. So what does this tell us? This has to just let you know that anytime you are making a design, try as much as possible to make it clear on the most important area of your design, so that in this case, whenever anyone gets to take a look at your design, they already know what they have to focus on before they admire any other thing on your design. So there's a third design I want us to take a look at so that we can fully understand what emphasis is all about. So when you look at this design, you can see that the first thing you actually get to pay attention to is Friday. Maybe the image also, yes, but the main thing is Friday. And who knows, maybe that's the title of the event because it's saying Friday play hard, and we just don't know what it's all about. But you can see that the main thing, and you're just trying to pay attention to the emphasis on this particular design. So let's take a look at the last design I actually found on Pinterest. So you can see this particular design says don't quit, and that's the main thing your eye gets to look at. Every other thing around looks dull and looks calm, and the main thing, which is the text, completely stands out when it comes to this design. So this means that to apply emphasis on the design, there are actually 4 ways, if I should say, that can help you implement this fully on your design. The first thing is color, the second thing is size, the third thing is weight, and the other thing has to do with position, which means that depending on where you position certain things on your design, it can actually stand out. If you take a look at this image, you would see that we have so many cattle, and is it cattle or a deer? I don't really know what the name is, but you see that there are a group of them on one side and just a single one of them on the other side. And interestingly, our eye directly goes to the cattle, which is the lone cattle, if I should put it that way. You understand? So this makes it very interesting, and this is a very sweet way emphasis has been applied to this particular video. So I hope you fully understand what emphasis is, and I believe that you now know how to even apply it to your design. The name is Benjamin, and I'll be looking forward to what you have in mind in the comment section. Always remember there is no limit to creativity, and I would see you in my next video.